Describe a journey that didn't go as planned. You should say where you were going, how you were traveling, what went wrong, and explain how you felt about it.
I'd like to describe a journey I took to Cox's Bazar that didn't go as planned at all, even though we had made thorough preparations in advance. But interestingly, it turned out to be one of the most memorable trips I've ever taken. This trip was with a few of my cousins. We had been planning it for weeks and were really excited about visiting the beach, trying out local seafood, and most importantly, doing parasailing. We'd booked our hotel, scheduled our activities, and made sure everything was in place. We traveled by train to Chattogram and planned to take a bus from there to Cox's Bazar. The train ride began well. We were enjoying the scenery and chatting, but a few hours into the journey, just near Fanny, the train suddenly came to a stop. At first, we thought it was a short delay, but it turned into a 3-hour wait due to an engine issue. There were no proper updates, and the mobile signal was weak, which made it even more frustrating. By the time we reached Chattogram, we had missed all the remaining buses for the day. We had no choice but to stay overnight in a basic hotel, which wasn't ideal and definitely not part of the plan. We were especially disappointed because we had to cancel our parasailing booking for that day. The next morning, we finally reached Cox's Bazar, and luckily, we managed to reschedule the parasailing. That moment, gliding above the ocean, feeling the wind, and looking down at the beach was absolutely surreal. In the end, although the journey was full of delays and changes, it brought us closer as a group and gave us a story we still laugh about. It reminded me that unexpected moments often create the best memories.